The grind don't stop.
Good morning.
Oh, you see it. Time to go make a run, picking up another GY6. It's getting crazy out here, y'all. So we're gonna shoot down the road, get to the shop, work on some more bikes, and keep it going. After that, I hope this bike be running on the road today.
Cause you know why? You see it.
So, changing my plans. Had to make a U-turn. About an hour out. Things is going crazy with the GPS, location communication. But we're on to another one. A little local. Turn around. You'll see it look like this. So, we're on that motion to go pick up the other one. Oh, you see it. So, what it do? Ah, finally made it here. Nice. Another one. Gotta work on it. Oh, you put it right from the bottom. Usually bottoms hit them.
Mm-hmm. They're high.
So that's the beautiful one.
Yep.
And this might just need a belt, some other light work. Well, when we get back to the shop, we're diagnostic. But until then, oh, you see it. Let's see what we got in there. We can't go nowhere with no belt now, could we? Otherwise than that, putting the battery on here, new belt. Let's see where we at. Stay tuned.
All right, crazy. Come on with it. Let me see some. That boy crazy. Where's Ricky when you need him? To see some.
My little babies have the short feet.
My little feet.
Balance point. Oh, you see it. Up and running nice. Easy. I tell you, this is what I love to do.
Like, you meet a new girl, and you don't know how pussy feel. And it's like, okay, she good.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah,
Feels better.
now, where's the color? I don't want her to roll off. Neutral. Oh, just get off? I can get off, put the kicks there.
Put that down, and then you got park on key. So if you want to park it, okay. This is your trunk space.
Damn. Shit.
You can put your speaker in everything in there.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna let that nigga play.
That's the first time. It's good. I'm gonna run down, follow behind you.
Every time I think I'm stressed out. Damn, y'all gotta stop doing that to me.
What'd I say? Yes. I told you we were gonna get you right. I told you we were picking up your ride now.